Okay. The Great Teacher, written by Nurhayati Pujastuti, illustrated by Hutami Dwijayanti, read by Cecilia Seren Gracia. Sarah is visiting her cousin, Rita, for the first time. Sarah came all the way from Ottawa, Canada. Sarah brought a gift for Rita. "Ooh, this is a souvenir from Rideau Canal," Rita says. "This is where tourists can do bull riding, fishing, and skiing." Sarah does not expect that reaction. How does Rita know? "Yum, this food looks delicious." Where should Sarah start? "The first salad looks interesting." Rita says it's called rujak. "The rujak is very spicy." "Water." Sarah needs water. Salt, water, and milk are all good for shooting a burned tongue. "My teacher told me that," says Rita. She's right. The burning sensation is instantly gone. Your teacher is smart, Sarah tells Rita. Later that day, Rita and Sarah go shopping. Rita brings along a shopping bag with her. "My teacher told me that this is one way to reduce the use of plastic," she tells Sarah. Sarah wants to get to know Rita's teacher. "How much will a food cost?" Rita does the math on her fingers. "Oh, the number matches the one shown in the calculator." "My teacher taught me how to add things quickly," Rita tells Sarah. How can Sarah meet Rita's teacher? "Be patient," Rita says in English. Her teacher must have taught her that too. Yay, Sarah gets to go with Rita to study in her teacher's house. No registration and no cost. That is easy. But what is that room for? On their way, Sarah and Rita meet another children. They are all going to study. They also bring cleaning tools. Rita says her teacher cannot clean her house by herself. Sarah is excited to meet this teacher. "If we run, we can get there faster," she says. "Oh no, don't worry," Rita says. "Our teacher will have something that can help." They have arrived. Finally, Sarah gets to meet Rita's teacher. Wow, some children are studying math, some are studying English, and some science. Sarah thinks it is a great way to learn. Rita's teacher is inspired by a woman named En Sukaisi, often known as Bu En. Bu En graduated from the Indonesian University of Education in Bandung. She suffered from disease called rheumatoid arthritis, which made her immobile for 27 years. Being persistent, Bu En kept teaching while laying down, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. She taught English, history, computers, and math. Any child who wanted to learn was welcome. Her students loved her so much, so they all helped help her with chores after their learning was done for the day.